Guys, welcome back to another episode on How to Crypto. In today's video, I will show you how you can download Opera Crypto Wallet on your device. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Play Store on your device and there search for Opera Crypto Wallet and there tap on install button, and once you tap on install button your app will start to download. App has been downloaded and the installation has been started. Now your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now you can tap on open button at the bottom of your screen. And there you go, your Opera Crypto browser wallet has been opened up on your screen. That's how easily and quickly you can download Opera Crypto Wallet on your device. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.